I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an install and styling of this 30-inch full 13x6 lace frontal wig from Ashimary hair. They actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all, but y'all know Ashimary is my first love, you guys. It's the first company I ever reviewed a wig for on my channel, period. So I was super duper excited, and guys, look at that. I love a good 13x6 because you can do really cute styles with it. Like, you can do cute updos, have two pigtails going on, and like, it just gives, you guys. I love it, love it, love it. But we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so here is the box. They wrapped a little headband around the box to keep it closed, which I thought was kind of cool. Let's take this thing off and see what we have inside, you guys. Okay, so we're gonna sit the wig to the side, and then we're gonna look at all of the treats we have here. So, oh, okay, this is nice. This is nice. So it comes with a set of press-on nails. Y'all know I am a press-on nail girly. I only wear press-on nails. So these are really cute. These are like kind of wintry. So that is pretty cute. Comes with an edge brush, a razor. Oh, okay. What are these? Yeah, another pair of press-on nails. These are kind of Christmassy. That's kind of cute, kind of candy cane-like. And then it comes with another headband for when you actually install the wig. Okay, so it also has, okay, wait, it's more, you guys. So here's an HD wig cap and a pair of lashes. So you get a lot of little treats, which is very cutesy. Oh, and of course, a robe, which is pretty cool. Feel very glamorous when you have it on. But let's actually get into this wig, you guys. I'm sorry, you guys, I'm kind of getting over like a cold or something. I don't know what it was, but my voice sounds like a little funny when I'm listening to it. But ooh, this hair looks so pretty. Hold on, you guys, look at this. Look at this. This is really, really pretty. Let me take it out the netting, of course. This is like that looser curl that I love. This is a 30-inch 13x6 wig. Like, look at this, you guys. This is gorgeous. This is what I'm talking about. Thick all the way to the bottom. Like, it is eating. And let's get into this here lace. Like, look at that. Look at the lace. The lace looks super thin. And it is pre-plucked. So I'm finna just install this thing. Like, I'm not even bleaching the knots on this wig. Like, I feel like it's gonna look good regardless. Like, this looks fire. I'm super excited to put this wig on. Like, look at that. So gorgeous. It's super soft, no smell, and I'm just loving this hair right now. Like, what? It does have an elastic band put into the back of the wig, which I absolutely love. So let's take this off, because one thing about Ashimary, they have full 13x6 and 13x4 lace frontal wigs. So let me show you all this. You get all that 13x6 parting space. This is a lot of parting space, you guys. Let me show you. So yeah, you get a lot of parting space, like, whoa. And it comes with an elastic band, so let me take off this little extra strap thing. I'm gonna do something a little different this time. I got a cool idea. I'm going to actually cut the lace on this wig before I glue it down. That's my idea this time. So let's see how it works. Let me go ahead and pop this wig on really quickly. I love that this wig has no combs in it, because I always have to take my combs out. They always end up pulling out my real hair. So let me go ahead and take off this excess lace with an eyebrow razor. I know I'm doing things a little different this time, but I got a cool idea for how I'm going to install this wig. Okay, so right now my ears are kind of covered by the lace. Like, they give you a lot of lace. So I'm going to cut off this lace to kind of like free my ears a little bit. This hair is really, really pretty. Like, it's curly, but not too curly. This is my type of curl. Okay, so this ear is free, you guys. This ear is out. Let's get this other ear free. Okay, that ear is cool. Let's get this ear. Guys, this wig is so big head friendly. Like, look at this. Even I have like extra space. Like, usually wigs are like super duper tight on me. Like, I'm happy this is a big head friendly wig. And we're gonna be in business. Let's combine these both today. Let's combine these both. I'm going to be using 3 layers of the lace spray. So let's do this. Okay, we're gonna do layer 2. And now I'm gonna do the last layer. And this layer, I actually apply the wig where I want it to be. And I know I look crazy right now, but that is what the lace melt is for, you guys. I promise you. Okay, so we're just gonna spray this on. And this stuff, like, it's gonna have your wig stuck, y'all. Like, for real, it's insane. I'm just gonna apply the headband now and let it sit for maybe like 10 minutes. And let's take this off and see what we have under here. Bam! Let me make sure y'all doubted me. Y'all doubted me. Y'all doubted me. I'm just putting a little water on this part on my forehead that looks a little shiny. But y'all doubted me. Y'all doubted me. This hair looks so pretty. Looks so pretty. Let's add a little baby hair. Let's do a little baby hair on the side. And I do just love the way they pluck this wig too. Like, it looks so pretty. Taking my little gel and I'm gonna put my baby hairs down, lay my baby hairs. Y'all, it's looking sickening. It's absolutely sickening. I might want to do like 2 pigtails. 2 pigtails might be cute. You get to have a nice long middle part with a 13x6. I love that. Like, look at all that parting space. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna add a little makeup in the middle part. But I think we're gonna do like 2 pigtails. I think that would be really cute. Like, see, you got more parting space? Like, come on. That is crazy. So yeah, I think we should do like a little bond type thing. Type deal. Like, you see that? Super cute. Yeah, that's cute. That's very cute. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put this up. The cute little ponies. The cute little ponytails. I don't know what it is, but I've fallen in love with doing ponytails in my hair now. I don't know why. And you can see the parting space, like, bam, bam. Oh, this hair looks so pretty on me. Like, wow. I don't know. I haven't had curly deep wave hair in a minute. It looks so beautiful. And that is it, you guys. Like, it looks so pretty. Like, we got the part over here going on, the part over here going on. Like, yes, I love a good 13x6. But anyway, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and have a great day, you guys. Bye.